style the iconic Kidsuper Kissing Puffer with the aid of a colour wheel. I'm going for what's known as analogous colours in colour theory, which is 3 or 4 colours which are next to each other on the colour wheel. So what I'm going to do is choose other things where the dominant colour is roughly within this range. Trousers I'm going for are these Rapha. This doesn't make sense stylistically because these are summer trousers and obviously it's a winter coat, but we're just going for a colour combination here. Ooh, made it! And this is where we are on the wheel. Next, a t-shirt, and I'm going for my WordPress Made in Texas t-shirt. So we're in the same colours but much darker tones as a base. A rather unusual shirt from Youth in Balacalava, Psycho Highway. Also odd because the pattern is sort of raised and printed, and of course it's got this odd double zip. If I can get the detail, this has touches of lime green, so we're right over here. Tough choice on the shoes. These are the ASICS Gel Sonoma. We've got hints of yellow and yellowy green. Then we have the Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66, also known as the Kill Bill shoes. Here we are solidly into the yellows. I'm going for the ASICS for 2 reasons. One, they contain some browns, which is the midpoint colour I've gone for. Also, they're very patterned and chaotic, very like the coat. And to cap the look off, my hat from Rode. What do you think? Done.